Okay, hello. This is going to be part 2. I do have 3 paintings. I'm only going to show you one in this video. So there'll be 2 more videos following this. Let me show you this first. Isn't that gorgeous? If I bumped you, I'm so sorry. But isn't that so pretty? I love this carrying case. They've got a few, and there's a couple of others I want to get as well. But, got this one. I almost ordered, the kimono. But I ended up ordering a few other things. This one off to the side. Here we go. This is July from DIYmoon. I swear, I think she has just seriously become my favorite artist. I love DIYmoon's art. It is just gorgeous. Love her artwork. So, wow, look at her. Is she not gorgeous? Let's see if I can't bring it up like this. Oops, sorry. Tell me that's not gorgeous. My gosh, I keep bumping. Yeah, she's gorgeous. So, there she is. She's a 52 by 40. Here's the legend. I'll take it out of here. If I can find the opening. There we go. Now I got the version 3 with the special beads, or drills, but it's got 45 different colors. My gosh. Look at that. What? There's no 310. Wow. That's surprising. Alright, so I'll pull out a couple. Now these are in the round. Are those not gorgeous? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Tons and tons of different shades of the purple. Look how pretty that is. Gosh. And then there are some different shades of pink. I love their drills. Gosh. And then there's some grays. More pinks. A white. Yeah, I love it. Looks like there's a couple of whites. And then some blues. And then it comes with some, like a ton of baggies. I mean, if that's how you kit up, look at that. You've got enough and probably more to kit this up. Love it. Alright, put this to the side. And let's take a look at the special treatment beads. So I'll open this up. Maybe. I always have such a hard time with these bags. There we go. So these are already kitted. So these are the free electric diamonds that it comes with. Are those not gorgeous? There we go. Look how beautiful that is. And then this is the prism. Isn't that gorgeous? And if you notice, well, not that one, but this one will tell you where, to sprinkle them on. This is the titanium. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one is the Alexandrite. Wow, look how gorgeous those are. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Oh my gosh. I gotta get these other paintings done so I can start on these for sure. Okay, so let's put this up and then we'll take a better look at the drill field. I mean, their drill fields are amazing. I'm telling you, you definitely need to check DIYmoon out for sure. We'll pull that back. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, so clear. I mean, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And look at that. Super sticky. Oh, she's gorgeous. I want to get April, since that's my birth month. So I want to get the Anna Dittman in April. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So, all right. We have gone about 10 minutes. So I'm going to let you guys go. Be looking for the next ones. If you haven't seen my other two videos, I will either put it in a card here or down in the description and go check those out as well. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Wait till you see these other two paintings. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, so thank you guys, all of you, for returning and sticking with me. I've noticed I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, so welcome to my crazy little world of everything. And for those that are watching this that's not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, definitely leave me a comment, and if you're feeling nice, thumbs up and share this video with everyone. Alright, I love you guys and you have a wonderful day or night. Don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.